Hi guys, today I'll be teaching you guys how to do a bar spin, so let's get into it. Okay, first step you want to do is get used to spinning your bars around. So you have to get your hand, spin it around one hand, and then grab it with your other and spin it back to normal and then catch it. It's also good to get better at jumping because when you jump you have to lean forward. Kinda, and you have to like lean forward and push it out further away from you, so you don't, so you don't hit yourself. Because if it's too close, you're just gonna hit yourself and then you're gonna fall over. But if it's like further out, you have space to spin your bars around and then catch it. So, and also you want like this pretty much like a good jump. Just gotta lift your back wheel. Gotta lift your front wheel up first, then your back wheel, then push it forward a bit, and then spin it around and put it down. So it should look like this.